Sometimes on Instagram, you may have created a chat, and if you want only your close friends to see your Instagram chat, you can set it like that. In this video, we'll be telling you how to do that. For this, open the Instagram application. After opening the Instagram application, here you can see the message button. Click on this message button. When you click on that, here you can see a button like this. Click on this button. When you click on that, here you can see chats. Click on a chat. When you click on that, here you can see your chats. Under that, you can see every chat that you have created. Anyway, for example, I'm selecting this chat. After that, above, you can see the settings option. Click on settings. When you click on that, here you can see the audience option. Click on audience. Here you can see who can see your chat, and by default, it'll be set to everyone. That means everyone can see your chat. But if you want only your close friends to see it, here you can see the close friends option. Click on close friends. And if you want to add or remove anyone from this close friends list, here you can see people or the number of close friends. Anyway, click on that, and you can add or remove close friends. For example, I'm adding one person. After that, click on this done button. And after that, here you can see the done button. Click on this done button, and here you can see the publish option. Click on publish. When you click on that, those settings will be saved. So, this way, you can easily set your Instagram chat for your close friends only. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.